Hello again, YouTube. Upon arrival at work recently, I managed to catch the little hook bit that forms part of the speed lacing of my work boot. And yes, I was riding to work in my work boots, not in my bike boots. I managed to catch it on the saddle of my TDM and put a little tear in it. Deeply irritating. So I had a trawl through the websites of some local firms and picked one and gave them a ring, and they said they were okay to recover it. Recovering it seemed like the best solution to me. It probably is possible to repair them. I don't actually know, but it occurred to me that the amount of sort of stretching and straining required on a saddle cover when you've got 12.5 stone of Dave wriggling around on top of it would probably render a repair fairly short-lived. So bite the bullet, get it recovered. So having identified somebody to do the work for me, I headed off round there and dropped it off. It does mean, of course, I shall be without the saddle for a couple of days, which is slightly irritating because I've got some journeys to undertake, which I don't want to undertake on the SV1000 because apart from anything else, it's October now and it's bloody freezing. So forthcoming trips will have to take place in the car. Hey ho.